Hi, this is Watch Over, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Seiko Retro Classic Automatic Watch SNKM97K1. I bought this watch from overseas, and it came in a package. It's a recraft, so therefore it has the old traditional 7S26 movement. The box is also rather simple, as you can see here. The main watch box is a square with a cut off at the corners. Now you take out the watch and you can see that there's a nice squarish TV, like old television casing style watch with a green dial, standard warranty card and all that jazz. Restyling the bracelet is not that difficult. It uses a friction pin. Once you take the friction pin out, and it's just one pin without any collar whatsoever, you can do whatever adjustment that you need to do. So I think this is a very simple, less thing to get lost. For the full description about this watch, there's a link in the description below, and it will link you to a full written write-up that I've done on the watch. As you can see, I love the shape of the color itself, as well as the sunburst dial itself. Despite it using a 7S26 movement, the movement on the second hand is smooth, as you can see in the video below. Now, this watch has a very vintage design, as you can see from the side profile. A very square offset casing. Um, the bracelet is also very squarish in design, and I like it. It really brings out the vintage feel to the whole design. And the size wise as well, it can be used in any occasion, formal as well as normal time. Here you can see the display case back on the watch. Overall, I like the way it feels on my wrist. It has that wrist presence, which I think is important. It's seldom you get watches with certain wrist, and it's unbelievably cheap. If you have a chance, you can find it at Amazon, eBay, and so on and so forth. So it's something that is very, very affordable, and it should be in your collection, I believe. Anyway, if you like this review, please like it or just follow the channel, and there's more review going out later. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.